Introducing the 2010 Cadillac SRX. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.